Developing a career plan can help you outline a clear path as you begin looking for a new job. While it's important to set meaningful career goals, you might become discouraged if these goals are too difficult to achieve. Try using the S.M.A.R.T goal method to help you create realistic and attainable career goals. S.M.A.R.T goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Specific. It will be much easier to reach a specific goal rather than a general goal. For example, a general goal might be, I will learn how to use Microsoft Excel. But a specific goal would be, I will complete an online Excel tutorial. Measurable. Ask yourself how much you want to accomplish and how you will know when you've reached your goal. For example, I want to increase my sales figures by 20% this year. Attainable. While you shouldn't make your goals too easy, you don't want to make them too difficult for yourself either. Goals that are not realistic and attainable are difficult to stick to. Relevant. Make sure that your goals really matter. You shouldn't spend time on goals that aren't relevant and important. Timely. Make sure your goals have clear time frames. For example, I want to find a job within 3 months. Without a deadline, you'll have no urgency or motivation to complete your goal. Meeting a goal feels good and should be celebrated. Whether it's a small treat or a big party, reward yourself for a job well done.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.